Hi guys, welcome once again. It's Vlogmas Day 11. Thanks for hanging in there. Today we're going to make some Surinamese cornstarch cookies. They're my favorite. I've never tried to make them myself, but hey, there has to be a first time for everything. I'm going to eat my lunch first, then we're going to step out and get the groceries to prepare these delicious cookies. Guys, my lunch for today was an Asian tofu pasta. So delish.
One eternity later.
Guys, I went to the Albert Heijn and I was going to film for you, but I was in such a hurry, so I totally forgot. Anywho, let's start with the recipe for the Surinamese Maizena Cookies. It's basically cornstarch cookies. The first ingredient is 100 gram unsalted butter on room temperature. Then you need 250 grams cornstarch, 100 gram granulated sugar or powdered sugar for a smoother texture, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional for flavor, a pinch of salt, sprinkles or cherries are optional for decoration. So what you do is preheat your oven to 160 degrees or 320 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking tray with parchment paper. Cream and butter and sugar should be mixed in a bowl. Use a hand mixer or a wooden spoon to cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add the egg and vanilla. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract if you want to use that until well combined. Incorporate the cornstarch. Gradually add the cornstarch and a pinch of salt. I used 2 eggs because I made extra cookies. Guys, the secret to tasty cookies, and you're not going to find this on the internet, is to rasp some lemon and place that rasp also in the batter. So it's not going to take long before you see me incorporating the cornstarch. So you gradually need to add the cornstarch and a pinch of salt to the mixture. Stir until it forms a soft, smooth dough. If the dough feels too crumbly, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk, but it should be soft and pliable. What you do then is shape the cookies. Roll small portions of the dough into balls or ovals about the size of a walnut. Place them on the prepared baking tray. Optionally, press gently with a fork or use a cookie press for a decorative touch. To decorate the cookies, add sprinkles or small pieces of cherry on top of the cookies for a festive look. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. They should remain pale but firm to touch. Once your cookies are done, you should let them cool off on the tray for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. You can best serve them with tea or coffee. Later on, you're going to see the result, how I bake the cookies, how I feel it went the first time. Next time, I'm going to use less sugar. I like cookies that have the sugar far away, but are still tasty. But I feel like I did my best for the first time. Advent calendars add to the Christmas spirit. To take the holiday cheer to extra heights, I'm going to unpack the Balea Advent calendar for you each night. I will literally do this one day at a time and share my experiences. A gift adds color to your life. Let's begin then. Enjoy life gift by gift. The eye area is particularly sensitive and prone to dryness, fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles. That's why there's an eye cream in the Advent calendar. As you can see, it helps the eye area with hydration and has anti-aging benefits and soothing. Well guys, thanks for watching once again. See you tomorrow.